And now, the State of Your Credit Union with host Diego Munoz.
Hello everyone, this is Diego Munoz with Del Norte Credit Union. I'm so excited to welcome you to the third episode of the State of Your Credit Union. This is a video series that was created with you in mind. Of course, our members, our community, our employees, our families. We know that this is a difficult time right now, and this is why we're answering some questions, getting in front of you, having these wonderful conversations. I'm very excited to welcome Dana Jaramillo. She is the Vice President of Member Solutions. Say hi, Dana.
Hi, everyone.
Thank you so much for being with us today, Dana. I know that you're probably super busy right now. First of all, I'd love for you to explain what the Member Solutions Department does and is within Del Norte Credit Union.
Yes, absolutely. Thank you, Diego. We do exactly what our title says, is we try to come up with solutions for our members, especially in these unprecedented and trying times. We try to offer any types of solutions as far as, can we extend your loan out? Can we maybe put some payments to the end of the loan? Can we set up payment arrangements that will help protect your credit for future credit and loans that you may need when your life circumstances change? Things of that nature. We really try to work with the members and just see if we can accommodate the needs that our members have.
Yeah, that's a really great summary of what your department does, and I truly believe that you're probably one of the, if not, I mean, of course, every department is important, but of course, right now during this time, knowing that we have a dedicated team that is working overtime to find those financial solutions for our members, I think it just sort of brings this, peace of mind, just this comfort knowing that that we're taking care of our members, and that's really important to hear. There's a lot of noise going around and a lot of different organizations stepping up and doing some really great things for our community and for their customers. So I know that in our previous communications with our members, we're talking about this idea of a specialized or customized approach to every scenario. Can you describe what that looks like? I mean, what are the benefits of doing it that way?
Well, right now, what we're looking for is, seeing if we can do up to 90-day extensions. Some members, just depending on, especially now if they're essential workers and, kids are staying home, their expenses may need to be shifted. We'll look at those individual situations, but we are offering up to a 90-day extension that will allow the members that little bit of cushion to do what they need to do. Especially now, we may start looking at the state starting to open up, and that'll still give our members a time to get caught up on things, get their feet wet again, get their budgets balanced. And we will like to talk to and are available to our membership if they want to have that in-depth conversation to let us know exactly how their situation may be different than as the generic approach that we're taking just to do, those overtime hours and okay, let's do this 90-day extension. But people do have different jobs in different family situations. So we encourage people to reach out to us, to give us a call and let us see what type of solution that we can come up with.
Absolutely. And question, maybe this is something that you get often, but so are we only helping those members that have accounts with us? Or, let's say, for example, a member might have an account with us, but then there's another account from another financial institution. Is this something that you can help with, or how are you dealing with those requests?
In particular, it is to the loans that the members have with Del Norte. So, if they have accounts with other credit unions or financial institutions that are not really helping or extending those, that's where we can kick in and help with their loan here in particular. That may help them to pay those. Even being the credit union and especially Del Norte, our members are our owners and we want to help them and give them that little bit of leeway. So if they do have accounts with other financial institutions that are not willing to help, we want to step up and just be there for our membership because we appreciate all that they do for us.
Yes, I agree 100%. I mean, that's one of the things that I love about the credit union difference, right? And we talk about this so much, is this idea that, you're not just a number, you're not just, a dollar sign, right? You really are a part of the family. You really are an owner. And I think that speaks a whole lot, especially now when it comes to people's finances. So, okay, so if let's say, for example, if a member, might not be sure about what some of the other options there are, right, other than the 90-day extension. Let's say, for example, that they're really running short on cash. They might be considering, let's say, a payday lender, right, that could potentially charge you a huge interest. What are some of the steps that members can take if they are looking for a refinance or maybe just some cash, some sort of personal loan or something like that?
What we can do is we also pass those 90-day extensions. We look at what we call internally TDR loans. And if members are finding themselves in a very tight financial situation, they can contact us. What we'll do is we can send them out an application, and it's just to get a picture of what their finances look like. And then we may be able to go outside of our normal lending guidelines that can either, extend the term that would help lower that payment for them. We look at adjusting maybe a lower interest rate that can also help them lower those payments. And with us in particular, we can maybe consolidate all their loans with us here. And that's going to allow them just to have more cash flow. With my department in particular, we do not do regular refinances or do any cash out types of programs, but we can help them consolidate, lower those payments, lower the interest, so they can get into a budget that will help them in their day-to-day bills.
Got it. That makes a whole lot of sense. And of course, we will be talking to our lending department as well, where maybe we can get some more answers on some of those, those loan requests, because I can just imagine, right, how many people might just, be really in need right now. And, you might fall into one of those payday lender cycles that's just really hard to get out of. So,
Absolutely.
Great. All right. So, if our members do want to contact you, and we want to make that easy for them, what is the best phone number to call? Is there an email address that they can use?
Yes, they can reach us via email, and that is at membersolutions@dncu.org, or they can call our department directly at 505-455-5330. Please keep in mind that you may have to wait a little bit just because our members are reaching out to us, but it does throw it in rotation. We will get to you as soon as possible. And even within that call queue, you are allowed the option to leave a message, and we will call you back as soon as possible.
Awesome. Great. And that information will be on the body of our text. Again, that email address is membersolutions@dncu.org, or you can call them at 505-455-5330. And again, yes, we are experiencing longer than normal wait times. And of course, we appreciate your patience and understanding during this time. Dana, is there anything else that you would like to tell our members?
Just that it is a privilege to serve our membership and just to be a part of helping them and offering those solutions. And I encourage anybody that is running into some difficult situations to please reach out to us, because that is what we're here for, and we look forward to helping you.
Awesome. Great. Yes, I second that as well. All right. Well, this was episode number 3 of the State of Your Credit Union. This is a video blog series, again, dedicated to giving you the inside scoop in everything done at the credit union. We'll be talking to different departments throughout this series. And with us today was Dana Jaramillo. She is the Vice President of Member Solutions. An incredible team that you have, Dana. Thank you again for everything that you do.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Thank you for watching. Visit dncu.org for more information on your credit union and how we can help during this time. Del Norte Credit Union is federally insured by NCUA and an equal opportunity lender.